we offer you the ability to see their data and also use it in your discussions, in your analysis of that user situation and deciding the treatment. What we are doing right now is sort of smoothing this process out, first taking feedback.
It is really helpful. I like the overall thing.
If I am doing all these things and if the patient is also aware that I am doing all these things, patient would like it, that we are keeping a good record. So this is going to make my own assessment of them very systematic and digital as well, which I am just right now doing only on the basis of the conversation. And it is how systematic it is, I can see with the charts and all that, and the user friendliness of the app, which I really like. This is actually useful. It even looks useful and it is useful.
What you are showing is great. I mean, it is very good for research purposes. Okay, for researching things and all, it is very good. But what I feel is that there should be something very concise, just a snapshot of everything in daily practice, because we tend to see so many patients every day.
I really think it's a good design to what how things are in place and can be really very, very effective.
So I just feel it's very nice for research where you're providing a lot of details and all that, but for clinical practice I feel it is cumbersome and there's no time for us to do. Even if I want to do, I don't think patients will sit and do all these things with us.
So. In my view, I was certainly not overwhelmed with the whole layout and thing. I felt it was quite easy to understand, and I think the plus point about this is that the particular doctor can also use this clinically and also for research purpose if needed, time efficient. And I'm just getting this thought it could possibly be incorporated in routine outpatient care also, like we have patients of various different diagnoses, and we could have a sort of a record as such of how they
Now with the data, now whether the things can happen faster or would it take another 5-10 minutes more to analyze, that becomes a challenge actually. Although with the presentation and is a very presentation looks quite professionalism. It looks quite professional and that is there. Then this could also lead to increase in probably consultation fees. Something that may happen, because then what it would happen is improve the quality and decrease the number of patients the doctor can see. So indirectly it can increase the consultation fees.
ये जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं, ये रिसर्च पेपर तो बन ही चुका है. अब इसको हमने क्लिनिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इसकी करनी है. हाउ वी कैन यूज इट फर्दर फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द पेशेंट्स. तो दैट इज द पॉइंट वी नीड टू एक्सप्लोर फर्दर. ठीक है ना, वो हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे.
So that input you have, but the output is virtual ना. I think output should be presentable, printable, discussable. क्योंकि कई बार 2 वीक्स के बाद जब ऑफलाइन पेशेंट है जो क्लिनिक में आते हैं, तो उनके सामने तो मैं प्रिंट आउट ही रख दूंगा उसका, ये देखो ये आपका 2 वीक्स का लास्ट 2 वीक्स का एनालिसिस है. ऑनलाइन वालों को हम वैसे डिस्कस कर लूंगा, लेकिन ऑफलाइन वालों को दिखा दूंगा ये देखो ये आपका एनालिसिस है, तो इससे आपका ऐसे ऐसे जा रहा है. तो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू यूज योर डाटा इन प्रैक्टिस. डाटा बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन मुझे उसको यूज करना है.
It was actually I found it very nice and interesting, and it's like it gives all the data whatever we ask from the patients, and it's there readily. Usually we use paper and our smartphone to keep it handy, but when it comes to this dashboard, I think it has everything. So I need not maintain anything as such apart from this dashboard. So it's wonderful. So it's actually really nice what you have made. So maybe once I start using it, I think I'll be able to, I think I'll be benefited, and also the patient also will be benefited. So it will be handy for us.
Okay, so that's brilliant. I think that's quite comprehensive in terms of how definitely addresses some of the challenges we as clinicians face in terms of trying to understand how the patient has been doing over the last few days, between appointments and all that. Definitely gives us access to those things. Understanding the patient's symptoms and in terms of their functioning, the mood and their social functioning and sleep, appetite and all that, all the biological functioning. I think this is brilliant. I think it's gives a near accurate report, because on a daily basis, if the patient is able to fill it in and we are able to access it and discuss it together in the sessions, that's fantastic. I think it will definitely add a lot of value to the sessions.